friends, BMW M3 G84. The electric version has been road testing for a long time, and now the M3 with internal combustion engine has been spotted. The design of both versions of the M3 will be similar in the company's new style called New Class. The new car is expected to get a hybrid powertrain with an inline 3-liter 6-cylinder engine and an electric motor integrated into the drivetrain. The new BMW M3 will have to wait a little longer, as the premiere is expected in late 2027, early 2028. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.